Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited to show you how my mother made this flavorsome chicken. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, share and like. So she washed the chicken with lemon and she cut up onions, garlic and ginger and mixed with all these spices together in the blender. She also added Maggi cube and all-purpose seasoning to it before adding 2 cups of water to it and blended it together. She then went ahead to stab the chicken a little bit to just create a little bit of holes in it so that it will marinate well. She sprinkled a bit of paprika to it. Now at this stage, it is absolutely your choice if you want to add a bit of kick to it. So she then made sure that every part of the chicken was marinated well. She left it in the fridge overnight, but my lazy self did not get up to watch her put it in the oven. So after putting in the oven for about an hour and a half, here is the end result. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like and also comment down below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.